Are you tired of unevenly toasted bread and messy crumbs cluttering your kitchen? Welcome back! Today we're reviewing the 5 best self-cleaning smart toasters on Amazon that are changing the breakfast game. From sleek touchscreens to precision browning technology, these picks are designed to make your mornings effortless. Stick around to find out which one belongs on your countertop. Let's get started.
Product number 1. Mecity Smart Toaster with LCD Display. The Mecity Smart Toaster is a standout for those who crave tactile precision combined with modern aesthetics. It features a crystal-clear LCD display that allows you to monitor your toasting progress in real time. The stainless steel finish isn't just for show, it's durable and easy to wipe down. What sets this apart is the independent control for different slots, meaning you can toast a bagel and a thin slice of sourdough simultaneously without compromising on quality. The defrost and reheat functions work seamlessly, ensuring that even frozen items come out with a perfect golden brown crunch. It's designed to fit beautifully in a modern kitchen while providing the reliability of professional-grade hardware. For anyone looking to upgrade from a basic plastic toaster to something that feels premium and smart, this Mecity model is a fantastic entry point.
Product number 2. Keystone Single Slot Touchscreen Toaster. If you have a compact kitchen or prefer a minimalist setup, the Keystone Single Slot Touchscreen Toaster is your best bet. Despite its smaller footprint, it packs a punch with a highly responsive touchscreen interface. The single long slot is surprisingly versatile, accommodating artisanal breads and longer slices that typically don't fit in standard square toasters. The sleek stainless steel body is complemented by a clean touch surface that resists fingerprints, keeping your appliance looking brand new. The smart sensors inside adjust the heat based on the moisture level of the bread, which prevents the edges from burning while the center remains soft. It's a sophisticated piece of technology that proves you don't need a massive appliance to get smart results. It's efficient, elegant, and perfect for the solo gourmet who values both space and performance.
Product number 3. Onely Touchscreen Toaster. The Onely Smart Toaster is all about customization and family-friendly features. It boasts a large touchscreen that offers 6 distinct browning levels, catering from everyone from the barely toasted fans to those who love a deep, dark crunch. One of its best smart features is the screen off mode, which saves energy and prevents the kitchen from feeling cluttered with glowing lights when not in use. The internal heating elements are arranged to provide 360-degree heat distribution, eliminating the white spots often found in cheaper models. It also handles thicker items like English muffins with ease, thanks to its extra wide slots. This toaster is designed for the high-traffic kitchen, where speed and consistency are the top priorities. It's a workhorse wrapped in a high-tech shell that makes selecting your preferred toast level as easy as using a smartphone.
Product number 4. Keystone 2-Slice Smart Essentials Toaster. For the traditionalist who wants a modern twist, the Keystone 2-Slice Smart Essentials Toaster offers a perfect balance. This model focuses on the essentials by perfecting the core mechanics of toasting while adding a smart digital interface. The countdown timer is a lifesaver for busy mornings, letting you know exactly when to pour the coffee. Its stainless steel construction is paired with advanced heat shielding technology, so the exterior stays cool to the touch even after multiple rounds of toasting. This is particularly important for families with children. The crumb tray is designed for easy removal and features a non-stick coating, making the self-cleaning aspect of maintenance nearly effortless. It provides a consistent, even toast every single time, making it one of the most reliable smart appliances you can add to your daily morning routine.
Product number 5. Geniza Fine-Tune Touchscreen Toaster. The Geniza Smart Toaster is the ultimate choice for the toast connoisseur. It features a fine-tune technology that allows for micro-adjustments in temperature and timing. The countdown display is large and vibrant, acting as the centerpiece of your kitchen gadgets. Beyond its looks, the Geniza is built with high-grade heating wires that respond instantly to setting changes. This means no more waiting for the toaster to cool down between rounds. The anti-jam feature is a smart safety addition that automatically shuts off the power if a slice gets stuck, protecting both your food and the machine's internals. It's a heavy-duty, high-performance machine that feels like it belongs in a professional cafe. If you are looking for the absolute peak of toasting technology, where you have total control over every variable, this is the machine for you.
Why should you buy one of these? The primary reason is time and quality. You are paying for the elimination of guesswork. You no longer have to pop the toast up early to check its color. The smart settings handle it for you. Comparing the five, the Mecity and Geniza are the heavy hitters for those who want maximum control and don't mind a larger footprint. They offer the most fine-tune options. The Onely is the best value for families who need a durable, easy-to-use interface that can handle various bread types. If you are tight on space, the Keystone single slot is the clear winner, providing smart features without taking up your entire counter. In terms of price compatibility, all 5 products sit in a similar premium but affordable bracket. They are more expensive than a basic $20 toaster, but the build quality and the time saved by not burning your breakfast make them a worthy investment for any modern home. For the best balance of price and features, the Keystone 2-Slice Essentials offers the most bang for your buck, while the Geniza is the luxury choice for those who want the best of the best.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.